Hey guys,
What's up guys?
we're back with a brand new video. Spicy Vienna sausage pasta.
Jeez.
Brought to you in partnership with Grace Foods UK and Dunn's River. That's right guys, we've been using these products since we are small. Grandmother, mother used to be using these products on a daily basis, man. So we're looking forward to bringing you this recipe.
You're gonna absolutely love this delicious recipe. It's easy, it's simple, and it's full of so much flavor. You can have it for lunch, for dinner, and it's a great, easy meal for the family as well.
That's why I love it, man. Check out the recipe and make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and yeah, man, keep supporting.
Yes. Peace and love.
Take care.